welcome to True Talk Margaret TV. If today is your first time coming across this YouTube channel and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go and subscribe. Click the red button and the red button and the notification button. Share me out. Please share to your friends, share to your co-workers. It is very important that we bring what is going on and we give you people the update of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and what is going on and expose the Nigeria government. In today's video, we'll be watching this video together because this is about corruption. Corruption is as they exposed in Nigeria. Senator was speaking out. The senator was really speaking, was angry. I would say a senator or a government. He was really angry. He had to say, my people, this man they vex. Because when people they hungry for Nigeria, our youth they walk around, no security. Youth no get job. Plan is to they budget 82 billion naira to buy mosquito net. When the street is catastrophic, the city is kaput. The street of Nigeria, the water they clean and where water go they flow, where go over they make mosquito because now dirtiness they call mosquito. Now they cause mosquito. Where water stay one side, they gather if dirty. Now they cause mosquito. It's say now mosquito net now be the budget we get for Nigeria. Oh my God, 82 billion naira now they are talking about where they can create. Why the people will not support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Why people will not call for a referendum? Who not go angry when you know say Nigeria they rich? Will be say people not supposed to they suffer. Children not supposed to they suffer. You see hungry everywhere. Children in the streets. People are killing people for money. Armed robber everywhere. One person they budget 82 billion naira for mosquito net. May God help us. Hell, now God send Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a God send to see open the eyes. How the people no cry out? How the people no go support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when the Nigeria government not get any plan for Nigeria? Look at the road now. People they die every day for accident. Somebody they budget 82 million naira. Say make people not get fever for mosquito bite. I beg will not be only one go listen to this video and not be only one go listen. I beg try share and add so that other people never hear this news before go hear this news. So let's go to the video and see what is going on.
Common sense dictates to me that when you have a serious economic problem emanating from global economic recession, and you have a large army of unemployed youths capable of carrying out a revolution, and you are not looking at how you're going to engage them. You know why this budget session is very important? One of your colleagues, whom if I'm president today, I will have sacked them, the two of them, this morning. They came to the National Assembly with a budget proposal of buying mosquito nets for 82 billion. You see, you're a member of the cabinet. You don't have to sit down when some people are trying to cause problems for our nation. When your ministry, your sector, which is key to our economic survival, is talking about 10 billion, and somebody in his right senses, who says a professional, a minister, is coming with a proposal of buying nets, mosquito nets. Well, we grew up in this country, and mosquito has not killed everybody here. Now it's simply corruption. There's no other way to put it. Now, if Solid Mineral, when our government was campaigning, part of what we promised was to complete Iron and Steel Complex. That will have employed over 20 to 30,000 people. Now, Iron and Steel Complex line fallow now. And we are here talking about budget. And somebody will tell me that we should approve 82 billion to buy mosquito net. Some people should be sent to jail. Simply put, you can't explain it. Do you know what Nigerians are passing through? There are people, those of you who have not been elected, you are lucky. Ask those who have been elected with the pressure of our people at home. There are no job. People are roaming the streets. Instead of us to face Solid Minerals, to pump in money there to create job and encourage the younger ones, to help us to liberate ourselves out of problems, economic problems. We are coming now, you are saying 10 billion is, you are thanking God for that. What is 10 billion to some agencies? Now, what is 10 billion? When you talk about completing a project that will change the face of the world. A stanza of our national anthem says, the labor of our hero past shall not be. Iron and Steel Complex was conceived by some people.
This senator they talk now. Concerning the budget. So what do you think about this video? We need mosquito net budget of 82 billion naira for mosquito net. All we need security in Nigeria. We create job for the youth so that Amroba no go there everywhere. Bomber no go there everywhere. Children no go there side school stand for dirty water, gutter water. You know, hungry go come on. They go they pay children money, pay a single mother. They go they give them money. Make they take care of the children. Create children office so that child abuse go stop for Nigeria. Children go they sell pure water for the street. What about the road? Business people they go for business. Why they not fix all this road where not get where they cause accident for Nigeria? Why they not fix down 82 billion naira never reach to take fix all those things? 82 billion naira never even you don't reach to take poverty out for Nigeria. Why Nigeria? Some people are very so selfish. That is what I will say, because this video just annoyed me. Annoyed me. Let's speak the truth. 82 billion. Enough is enough. Enough is this is the site. I beg start from us in Kano. We need referendum in Nigeria. We need referendum in Nigeria. Not be that what they do. Mazin Kano is really another savior where God sent to come and save the people from the hands of the Egyptians. Because this is really sad. 82 billion naira. Look at the frustration now. Our youth, they are taking from Nigeria to Libya road. Some die in the water in Libya because of poverty. They are going to check for food. They come out from Nigeria where rich, where God don't bless with the butter, honey, milk, everything they inside that country to enjoy. Our young boys and young girls, they die for the sea water we did it because of they want to come Europe, come also poverty. Why one senator they budget 82 million for mosquito net? Hello, Nigeria. Hey, we need the referendum for Nigeria. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Freedom to Nnamdi Kanu. Freedom to Nnamdi Kanu. We need Nnamdi Kanu. Yeah, we need them. Thank you for watching. What do you think about this video? Sorry for my emotion for today, because I'm really sad seeing this kind of video where people are hungry. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. As you do, may God bless you. See you on my next video. This is True Talk Margaret TV talk show. See you on my next video. I will be updating you guys what is going on between Nnamdi Kanu trial. Please do not fail to pray for him. Is God said he has been there for us. He has prayed for us. He has fight for us. He has speak for the voiceless. Please, this is time Nnamdi Kanu need us. In any way you can speak for him, stand and speak. It is freedom of speech. Okay? Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Love